Sat Shri Akal ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ and welcome back to my channel. So today this vlog is going to be really special. Not special, I would say this vlog is my happiness. This vlog is my happiness, I would say that, because you know, especially I think all the girls will love this vlog because we are going to talk about clothes. We are going to talk about style and basically how to style, you know, how to style blazers, particularly how to style blazers. क्योंकि मैनू blazers पाने का बहुत ज़्यादा शौक है. I am obsessed with blazers and I have decent collection of blazers and I love to make different styles, you know, with blazers. Sometimes I wear them with pants, sometimes I wear with denim, but what I like the most is to wear them with denims and make it more like business casual style, so semi business and business casual style. So that is my favorite look, and I'm going to share different blazers and different looks with the blazers and how you can style them, you know, with your denims and with your normal tank tops or any kind of t-shirts which you wear, and it's going to be really fun. I love it. But disclaimer, this vlog is going to be in 2 parts because when I started recording this video, I had no idea that I'll go this far. I'll go this far, okay? I had no idea I'll go this far because I literally took so much time explaining how to style, how you can style, how this will look good, how that will look good, that when I realized and when I was editing, I realized that no, that I cannot put it in one part. I cannot make one vlog out of it. I have to make 2 parts. So this vlog is going to be in 2 parts. So I hope you'll enjoy it, and this is really fun. This basically not designing is not my forte, but styling is my forte, and I love to style clothes. And basically whatever I have styled, it's just different blazers but with the same kind of denims and same tops and same tank tops which you wear. I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog, and so the first part is here. Let's go. Okay, I have sorted my blazers on this rack I have, and I have done really, I think, a good job with that because I did sort them so that I can show it to you guys, you know, what colors I have. So now I'm already wearing my denim, and I am wearing this t-shirt, pattern t-shirt, because honestly denim, ripped denim, if you can wear ripped denim with the pattern t-shirt and a blazer, really makes a good look. So I think I am going for this one first because it really goes with the t-shirt I'm wearing right now. Yes, so this is the first look, and I think it's really cute because you have this pattern t-shirt and a light denim and with the dark blazer. Thumbs up for that. Obviously you can wear it casually to malls, or you can go out with your friends and wear this one, and you can wear it to work as well. So first look, I love it. Let me know, how do you like it? Okay, so this is the second look. This is the purple one, and ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਏਦਾਂ ਵੀ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, just like that. It's very casual, and again with the same denim, and I changed it, so this is a tank top now. So tank top ਪਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ blazer, and I think yes, it's again, this one is more casual side. Obviously you can open the button, and then this is the look, but even if you close the button, still it looks good. So this is the second look, and I love it. It's really comfortable. It's very like oversized, and I prefer purchasing oversized because I think oversized blazers, oversized t-shirts, whatever I can buy oversized, I purchase oversized for t-shirts. So yeah, this is the second one. Same thing, literally same thing. I'm wearing tank top underneath, same denim, and I'm wearing this again, a semi casual. So today मैं आज सिर्फ casual, like business casual show कर रही हूँ, okay? अगर आप इन्हां नूं more formal बनाना वा तां we have to style it differently. But this is more a business casual, so business or semi casual, whatever you like to say. लेकिन yeah, so same concept, कोई कुछ भी change करने दी लोड़ नहीं हैगी. Denim, tank top underneath, a basic tank top, and just change your blazers. That's it. Yeah, so that's the third look. Tell me, how do you like it? Isn't it nice? And again, you can even ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਬੰਦ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So even ਬੰਦ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਵੀ ਇਹ same ਹੀ look ਦਊਗਾ, but I prefer it open. But even अगर ਆਪਾਂ close करके रखते हैं, I have this one and I love this blazer. I wear it. Obviously ਆਪਾਂ हर किसे ਵਧੀਆ ही हर कोई हर किसी ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ, हर किसी ਦੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਪਣੀ personal choice ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, but for me this is the best one. And I love this blazer because it's oversized. It doesn't give too much blazery look, it gives you more kind of a casual look. And same concept, I'm wearing tank top, denims, and a blazer. And this is oversized blazer, so definitely I love it.
This is another one. It's oversized, and I love this one. And I think now whatever I have left, no, except this one, whatever I have left is you can wear it with black and with white. So this is one of the denim, but maybe I'll change my denim to black or grayish, like charcoal, and then I think whatever I have left, they will go with those ones also. So they'll go with the black more, or like black and white both. So I love it like that, like this only, but I think it will look more good if I'm wearing black underneath. So we'll try with black, but first
I'm gonna try my favorite one, this one, and I have a matching pant with this as well, so I'm gonna try wearing this one with the pant and then with the matching pant. So that's how it looks with the love this color. Oh my god, yes, I love it. So that's how it looks with the denim, and I just love it like that. It's oversized, and it gives you, I mean, just tell me your opinion, okay? Tell me your opinion in the comment box कि ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ blazer किस तरह लगता, because I know that is my favorite blazer, क्योंकि ਉਹ मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पानी है ਉਹ बहुत ज़्यादा पानी है, but ਇਹ मैं हजे तक नहीं पाया, क्योंकि I don't know, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਘਰੇ संभाल के रखने की आदत होंगी है, उसी तरह मैं इस ब्लेजर में संभाल के रख रही हूँ, पता नहीं क्यों, but I want to wear it. This is such a beautiful blazer. ਹੁਣ मैं इनू एक पैंट नाल पा के देखदी हां, सो आपां देखदे हां कि किस तरह